Okay, so this is a tutorial about how to understand the Rice Lake 920 indications that are on the control panel. So what we show at the top of our screen are two different weights. The top weight is the weight inside the tank above the machine, known as the garner, and then our bottom weight is the weight that's going to be on the unloading machine. So currently we are idle, ready to dispense. Our target has been set at 1,000 and we have 0 pounds delivered. So if we wanted to change this to something else, for example, before we get started, we could go to Setup by pressing this button. This brings up our first menu, which shows our target, which is 1,000 pounds. We have a slow weight of 50 pounds, meaning when we get to 950 pounds, we will transition from our fast fill or bulk fill to our slow fill or dribble speed. We also have a settle time set at 3 seconds, and we have another menu called Pre-Act, which if we select this menu, shows us the options that we can set for the tank above the machine. The one that would be most commonly used is F4, where it says Garner Scale Refill High 900 and Low 100. What this means is that when the tank above the machine gets 900 pounds, it will stop telling whatever's upstream to feed material. When it reaches 100 pounds, it will tell whatever's upstream to start filling in. So we can set these however we want, so we've set them for 900 and 100 respectively. So I'm going to change our target from 1,000 to 200 pounds, just as an example of how to change the target. So it says target 1,000, I'm going to hit 200, then press enter. Now we show a target of 200 pounds. What happens with our slow weight is that we will slow down at 150 pounds. So going back to our main screen by hitting exit, we have 19 pounds on the machine. Now I can turn this down to 0 with the simulator so that when we start, we can start from scratch. So I can press start here, and we start filling. Oh. Wait a second. Pause it. I think I